Josh Hancock is a farmer and former secretary of the Reedy Creek Animal Health Group in southeast South Australia, which collaboratively tackled livestock pest and disease problems through education and working together. The group brought together up to 30 producers per meeting to discuss issues like ovine Johne's disease, foot rot and lice.
The biosecurity outcomes for us as a group came down a lot to working together and communicating. So to try and get an eradication outcome, you have to be able to work together and within the zone that you're eradicating, make sure that everyone's on the same page, that you understand the different management tools and practices that are going on between properties so that neighbours can actually work together.
Mr. Hancock says the group has adopted a number of strategies to prevent the spread of lice.
Some of the biosecurity strategies that the group's implemented out of what we've found have been things like quarantining purchase stock to make sure that you've got a bit of a buffer time to assess the sheep yourself and see whether they do or don't have an issue, not just trusting the people you're buying them from. Also having a plan around stray stock. We pretty much banned throwing sheep back over the fence if you found one in your back paddock. As soon as that happens, you're transferring a problem straight away.
Once local landholders started to meet to discuss animal health issues, including lice, he found there were people willing to help and share their experience.
So I think it's just about getting rid of the stigma, getting an understanding of the issue by talking to people in the community and then spreading the word.
And he believes the approach will pay bigger dividends in the long term.
I think that the fact that the lice group's been, and we've already formed and have now a core group that are interested in animal health issues and got a bit of energy. If we actually get faced with any future animal health things, I think we already have the structure and the communication networks to be able to deal with it. I'd encourage other people to get involved with an animal health group like this so that they can build the relationships with their neighbours to work through such animal health issues, but also to build relationships with external extension staff and departmental staff who have the expertise to educate you and work through any on-farm issues that you're having.
Emma Rook from the Livestock Biosecurity Network in South Australia says each property carries its own biosecurity risks, which may spread to their neighbours or vice versa.
First of all, if you've got an issue, chances are some of your neighbours have got a similar issue. So it's about sharing your experience and also getting an understanding of the sort of size of the issue in your area. The other thing is when you're working as a group, sometimes there's more scope to get some sort of technical support.
Support is available for producers wishing to set up a biosecurity group in their area.
If producers are interested in setting up a regional biosecurity group, then LBN can help facilitate that process. It's important to understand what the priorities of the group are and then determine what outcomes or goals that you're trying to achieve.
Guidelines and templates for developing an on-farm biosecurity plan are available on the LBN website at www.lbn.org.au.